how do you make yourself relevant to your referral partners? And this goes back to what Diana mentioned is how do I do this? Why don't more builders have a consistent referral partner program? And it's because you really don't know how to do it. So you really don't know how to make yourself relevant. So oftentimes we just get busy in the day to day and we don't take time to work on our referral program. We just hope, keep our fingers crossed that somebody will send a lead our way. So let's talk about this, how to make yourself relevant. So Diana, what's your favorite radio station? What's it called again?
Well, what's in it for me, right?
WIIFM. That's right. So we talked about that on the front end on lead. When they get to your website, you have to give them a WIIFM. But also on the back end, somebody that you've done business with, if you're going to ask them for something, you have to make sure that they feel it's relevant. So what's in it for me? So to make yourself relevant, the first thing I like to do is I like to give a sincere compliment to the client. Say, you were such a great client to work with. We really appreciate the partnership, the business. Can I ask you a question? You know, what did you think of our service we provided you? You know, and if they come back and say, hey, you guys were great, you did a wonderful job. Yeah, there were some bumps in the road, but you fixed them up. We're really happy with the end product. Okay, so I've asked them for their opinion. Everyone loves to spout an opinion. Everyone has an opinion, right? So now what we're going to ask them for is, hey, can you share your opinion with other people that are considering my company? And most of the time, people are more than happy to do it.